Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be exploring some interesting geographical facts about Western European countries. So, without further ado, let's dive in and discover some amazing geographical facts about Germany, France, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Andorra, and Monaco. Fact number 1, largest cities. Each of these countries is home to some of Europe's largest and most vibrant cities. Germany's capital, Berlin, is the largest city in the country and has a population of over 3.7 million people. Paris, the capital of France, is the largest city in the country and has a population of over 2.1 million people. Amsterdam is the largest city in the Netherlands and has a population of over 860,000 people. Brussels is the largest city in Belgium and has a population of over 1.2 million people. Luxembourg City is the largest city in Luxembourg and has a population of over 122,000 people. Andorra la Vella is the largest city in Andorra and has a population of over 22,000 people. Monaco is the second smallest country in the world and its largest city, Monte Carlo, has a population of over 15,000 people. Fact number 2, famous landmarks. These countries are also home to some of Europe's most famous landmarks. Germany's Neuschwanstein Castle is one of the most famous castles in the world and attracts over 1.3 million visitors each year. The Eiffel Tower in Paris, France, is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world and attracts over 7 million visitors annually. Austria's Schönbrunn Palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the country's most famous landmarks. The Netherlands is famous for its tulip fields, windmills, and canals. Belgium is home to the Atomium, a famous landmark and museum. Luxembourg is home to the UNESCO-listed Old Town of Luxembourg City. Andorra's highest peak, Coma Pedrosa, is a popular hiking destination. Monaco's famous Monte Carlo Casino is a must-visit for anyone traveling to the country. Fact number 3, bordering countries and neighboring bodies of water. These countries share borders with several other European countries and are also situated near various bodies of water. Germany shares borders with Denmark, Poland, the Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands. France shares borders with Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Spain, and Andorra. Austria shares borders with Germany, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, Slovenia, Italy, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. The Netherlands shares borders with Belgium and Germany and is situated near the North Sea. Belgium shares borders with France, the Netherlands, Germany, and Luxembourg and is also situated near the North Sea. Luxembourg shares borders with Belgium, Germany, and France. Andorra shares borders with France and Spain. Monaco is situated on the Mediterranean coast and is bordered by France on 3 sides. That's it for our video on basic geographical facts about Germany, France, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Andorra, and Monaco. We hope you enjoyed this tour of Europe's beautiful Western countries. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.